back. I'm here again. I can tell the lot of things what happens with what happened to the last couple of weeks, months. But you know, for I have a personal life also, and I have a lot of things. The similar things is you think about it. You know Bruce Willis. You know the Last Boy Scout movie, or even the Die Hard movie. So this kind of problems came to your life all the time. So when you have a hobby like this, to the boat, you know, it's always coming to the last things you need to do, but it's everybody calling you, everybody needs to save the life right now, and a lot of work you need to do, and this kind of things. So I'm here in a boat again and just do the other stuff. Let's see how it's coming. So welcome back, guys. I'm here. I didn't give up the project, but I'm very short of the time. So because just 7 days a week and 24 hours a day, so that is not enough sometimes. Okay, so let's go do something. Oh, this pole is hold the table. Right now it's just on the way, so I just want to take it out the bolts around and take it out this one. I don't know, in the future probably need a workbench on the boat, so who knows. Let's go and take it out, you know, screwdrivers and present wrench and everything, so it's easy. Done! So let's do it here. Just put it away. This one. Let me try. Working. Oh, the time to cut out on that place. You know, I remember the fuel tank, the big fuel tank, so that when I could cut off that piece. And maybe tomorrow or today afternoon I go to the junkyard and looking for some tank, fuel tank. It's filled on that kind of this place somewhere. They went on the other side. I love this tool. This is awesome. local parts store, pulling out. Let's check the fuel tank. I just need to stop somewhere. There you go. Cheers. There you go. This is a paradise for me. Paradise. First it starts raining. If I find a Lincoln Navigator, let's check that. That is no good. But here is a, with that F-150. That one's a nice one. Right there. So just climb down. Someone start to take off the bushings, but this one's very good. So let's try to take it off. But it's still raining. I don't like this. Is will be the mud. So but whatever. Let's take it off. I cut it. Cut it there. The hose. This knife is very good. It's sharp like. Awesome. Let's take it out. A lot of things on the way. Take it up. Okay. There you go. Oh, we're done already. See? It's no fuel pump. I just have this laid over there. I keep these holes. This is a on a car here to call the evaporative valve, but this one is for good for the breather because have some valves on it, so it's already fixed. The problem is, you know, for when you're filling and the air need to be go somewhere. So this already done that once, and that once we can use it. That's it. Okay, let's take it to the place and clean it and take it out the heat shields and everything. That's it. I have a tank. The tank is in a car and just pay for it $30. The weather didn't was a corporate, but right now it's afternoon, so it's better. So let's start cleaning up. So we are in a boat again. This is other Sunday. Let's see what I missed make a video, but I cut it to pieces on boat. Let's make the fitment to the fuel tank. Oh. Say hi. You can say true. See true. And see that I really sanded on this one too because that was ugly, dark. I don't like that dark. I like this one better. Make some other varnish or something over there. Doesn't matter. I cut through here. So let's see, make a fitment and try to put it into the fuel tank. But that one is in a car, so I need to grab it. I did backwards. It's not too much left to do that. There's a mess again here, all over the place. So, but here we are stand. So this is a 100-liter tank, and I know that you guys know everyone know the something better things, but this one it's cost me just only $30, and I'm 100% sure if I install this one is properly, it's never again you need to be take off. This one is approved to hold the fuel, diesel or gasoline, so I don't need to do anything else. Just this one make a little bit go forward, but I need to take the over there the little more space, so I need to cut over there something more, coming on this way a little bit and turn it and let's go forward, and it's fit here and let's go the lower place again, and I can do a lot of stuff here more, but not today, so let's see to check next time. I know I'm look like I'm lazy on these days, but I have a lot of things I need to do to fix it. I do my regular job too, and it's a tough season with crazy freaking busy. Overload my joints. I cannot even move, so that one, I take a lot of painkiller medicines, and which one it is coming to the ages. So I'm not lazy, I try to do that, but you know, sometimes I'm done. So but I'm so happy to stay right now here. So let's see for the next couple of days what's going on. Okay, I'll be right back.